Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this royal pearl necklace. For this we will require some 6 mm pearls, 3 mm pearls and some 11 seed beads. A jewelry chain and a clasp, some beading thread. For one motif we need 75 centimeters. So here I have taken 5 pearls, 3 mm in size. Now tie a couple of knots. And trim the tail. So here we have a circle of 5 pearls. Go through one pearl. Now pick one 11 seed bead and go through the next pearl. In this way I am going to add one seed bead in between two pearls. So we have 5 seed beads in between 5 pearls. Now go through one pearl and one seed bead. And this is how it looks. Go around once again. This will secure the seed beads and you can notice the difference when we complete one motif. Don't skip this step. You should go through it once again. Now I am going to take one seed bead, 6 mm pearl and two seed beads. Go through the pearl. Now pick one seed bead and go through the base seed bead like this. Turn around and go through this one seed bead that we had added. And now I'm going to take 6 seed beads and go through one of the top seed bead. Now pick one seed bead and go through the next seed bead like this. Again pick 6 seed beads and go through this one seed bead. And now go through the base seed bead. In this way we have completed one petal. To make the next petal, go through one pearl, one seed bead. So I am going to repeat the pattern and make 4 more petals just like the first one. Go through one seed bead. Now take 6 seed beads and go through one of the top seed bead. Add one seed bead at the top and go through the next seed bead. Take 6 seed beads and go through this one seed bead. And now go through the base seed bead, one pearl and the next seed bead to make the next petal. So now in this way we have to make 3 more petals. Once completed, this is how our flower looks. Now go through these seed beads and exit from the topmost seed bead that is popping out. And now we are making a loop to add the chain. So I have taken 5 seed beads. Go through this loop once again. And now go through some seed beads and make some knots, and then we will trim the thread. Go through some more seed beads before cutting the thread. So we have completed the first flower with one loop on one side to attach the chain, and now make another flower. So this is our second flower, and I have already completed 4 petals, and with the fifth petal the 2 flowers will be connected to each other. Keep one petal on top and 2 petals at the bottom, and this is the petal with which we are going to connect 2 flowers. This one seed bead is common in between the 2 flowers. And now add the 6 seed beads to complete the petal. Once you complete the petal, you can go through this petal once again to secure the connection in between the 2 flowers. Now simply go through some seed beads and secure with a couple of knots. Here we have 2 flowers connected to each other. In this way, make more flowers and connect. Remember to keep one petal at the top and 2 petals at the bottom. I have made a total of 11 flowers, and now I am going to complete with the loop where we are going to attach the chain. Just go through the loop once again, and then you can secure with some knots and trim the thread. And this brings us to the end of the project. Our royal pearl necklace is complete. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I did. If you loved this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow beading friends. Simply attach the chain to these two loops, and your royal pearl necklace will be ready to be worn by you on a royal occasion. And if you agree with me, put a heart in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.